Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
SwaLocker is an innovative locker that keeps your belongings safe and can be accessed using pattern recognition or PIN code, etc. Let's find out more about it.
Have your important documents or your important jewelry in your bank accounts or your in your mobile and laptops, you think that everything is safe, but sometimes there is a chance of hacking to your software devices, and I don't think so that either in banks also now we are safe. But for in case of this locker, this will be a very impactful and a very wider range locker in the market, because such thing first of all is not available in the market, and the second thing, there is no chance of hacking for your digital storage because it's not internet enabled. So there is no chance that your any way for your digital storage is hacked or someone will misuse your important documents. And for in case of your physical storage, all your important documents are already saved behind the locker, which will be inside a wall, so things won't be visible to a naked eye.
Well, our vision stands to make this locker reach every household, because every household deserves a certain amount of security in terms of physical and digital storage. Nowadays, theft has been advanced into such a manner that lockers are not coping up to the theft. The technology is rising, and it's high time that we should put some advancements in the lockers as well. Well, this lockers stand against all the other lockers, and we stand here to tell them that yes, we can compete from other lockers and the orthodox mentality that they are containing.
Actually, this is the prototype for what we are introducing. This is a locker that is embedded behind the switchboard.
So this is the complete solution for your personal security. Like, you have lockers in your home, but they are very easy to trespass and to be breached. So we have invented this. This is a product which helps us in both ways. It's a physical and a digital locker. It works with the functionality of IoT, which helps it making hacker proof, and it's very affordable for normal people to afford. It just costs you around 10 to 12,000. That's it.
The main purpose behind this locker was to actually hide the face of a locker behind a switchboard, so that whenever there is some sort of thievery or any sort of problem coming around, your all important documents are saved either in your digital storage or your physical storage.
Well, for the security sake, we have incorporated 3 steps by which you can have access to a locker. First of all is Arduino pattern recognition, which uses Arduino and pattern recognition through analog systems that helps it to get the access to a locker. The second being your digital storage, which uses your PIN code system, which is 2-step verification. First, you have to have the access to the storage. For the storage, you have to plug in your USB cable, your IP address is matched, then you have the user-based password that is set by an individual. After that, you have the access to your digital storage, which makes it impossible for anyone to get breached in and have access to your cryptocurrency, NFTs, and other digital things that are important to you.
All your important documents are either saved in your physical storage that will be pulled out like a drawer when your all Arduino pattern recognition or either your PIN code verification is completed. Now for the very last step, either if any one of both is not working, we have a third thing, that is screw working. The screw working is like we have a special screw for the opening of the locker. Just in case there is not electricity or any other way that your locker is not opening, you can have access through your specific key that is specific for each and every user. You can insert it and then you can open the drawer. The drawer will be actually opened like a proper channel work, just like this. Just in case your pattern is matched, when you put for the Arduino recognition, the IP and everything will be connected and you can access the drawer like this.
For For the security sake, we have also installed certain sensors which are infrared based so as to avoid theft. Like if you must be thinking it's a market product, right? If it launches in the market and it gets trespassed, what about that? We are thinking ahead of you guys. We have installed sensors in such a way that it will allow a shutter system which will collapse and shut down your connection to your physical and your digital storage. And in case of fire or even any other emergency like any natural disaster, for that sake, we have also implied certain types of sensors which are fire sensitive and can avoid your digital storage to be harmed. So either wise, your security is our responsibility.
I've been mentoring them, these first year students, since they incepted into the university. We have a competition every year which is named as Creative Idea Competition. And in this competition, the student pitched their idea and they won this idea because the idea is very innovative. So far, none of the projects have been made on this issue. So the student came up with the proposals, and after we pitched that idea, we formulate the idea, what kind of components, what kind of storage systems will be there, the hardware storage and the software storage as well, and what kind of materials we may use which is fireproof. So the students have been constantly mentored and they have been sent to all other universities to participate in the project competitions. So such kind of habits are inculcated into them so that they can use the prize amount into their projects. And so far they have built the prototypes. So this is the second stage of our prototype. It is the miniatured prototype, and which provides both safety as well as security to the outreach to the people.
Just don't stop for any good or bad criticism. Criticism is a part of your journey. There will be time that you will be demotivated and won't think of working furthermore. But the very thing that you should always keep in mind is consistency. If you have a goal to achieve, please keep working on it. Even if no one is supporting, believe on yourself and keep working.
Well, I personally waited 4 years to make this project. I don't want anyone else to stop their dreams. Well, if you have an idea, if you know it's worth, then start working on it. There's no best time than present.
Give a shot and just keep working.